Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore retention analytics with Retently easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore retention analytics with Retently, begin by logging into your Retently account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Retention Analytics section on the sidebar menu. Click on Retention Analytics to access the relevant features. If you have previously disabled retention tracking, locate the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click the Settings icon to open the Configuration menu. In the Settings menu, find the Tracking Options tab. Click on Tracking Options to view the available settings. Here, you may see an option to re-enable retention tracking. Toggle the switch to enable retention analytics. After enabling, return to the main dashboard. Next, click on Data Sources to confirm that your data sources are correctly configured. Ensure that your integrations are active and properly linked to Retently. If any data sources are disabled, follow the prompts to reconnect them. Once all sources are active, head back to the Retention Analytics section. Wait a few moments for Retently to begin processing the data. You should now see an updated view of your retention metrics. Analyze the data displayed to understand your customer retention trends. Make sure to explore any available filters to refine your results. Review the analytics to identify opportunities for improvement. Use the insights gained to inform your retention strategies moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.